Hey guys, Eddie V here, and today I'm going to show you guys a rare truck that I'm driving. It is a Volvo VNL670 with an N14 glider. Alright guys, so this looks like a regular Volvo, right? Wrong. This Volvo has an N14 Cummins in it. Let me show you all the parts and features of this Volvo. So, 525 horsepower N14 Volvo. And open the hood up. And down inside, it's just a regular Volvo, but this used to be automatic, and it has a 13-speed Eaton transmission. So the reason why the fan is blowing, cooling engine fan is on, because it's better for the air conditioning like that, and you get hot, cold AC coming out here, which I really do enjoy. Hot, cold AC blowing, ice cold. So yeah guys, regular setup. This is a step deck setup, and it's working nice. 525 horse, Jake brake loud. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 turn right. Driving a temp in the 6 Series.